what I am going to discuss today, that JavaScript part will be very, very well supported in the front end. Then I will be comparing and contrasting it. So let's do it. I'm just creating here, opening the VS Studio here. Just a second. Today I won't be coding in this folder, and we will be simply creating another directory here where we shall code. This is the programs one, and here I'm creating, let's say, front end stuff. This front end stuff is not related to MERN. Let me clarify. Please don't get confused. This is related to the HTML, CSS, JavaScript stuff, because without that you won't be able to work in the front end of any particular mode. Where it has gone. Just a second. Now better. So here I'm just creating a new file with the name, let's say file1.html, simply file1.html, and one front-end file I am creating. The boiler code simply. For this, I would like to today work on the Atom software. Okay, it's not necessary to use the Atom, but yes, just going to show you some stuff there also, because both are almost similar. In the starting also I introduced you, so I will be using Atom today. Let's open that project folder here. JS, this one is your folder. I'm just opening the same here. Okay, so simply this is here, and this front end stuff, one file we have created, which is having nothing. So here I'm typing the HTML, and this is the boiler template code, which is like simple, very simple when you are working in HTML. So you can just put the JavaScript things anywhere. I am talking about the front end things, so please don't get confused. And what I am telling about, that is the JavaScript can be embedded or can be used in 3 different ways. First one is inline JS, embedded JavaScript, and then external JS. So simply, and the 3 ways the CSS can also be used, that we'll be discussing afterwards anyhow. Today I'm focusing on JavaScript. So here when we are working on the pop-up boxes, so I'm just mentioning here pop-up boxes in JavaScript. See, again clarifying, this is for the front end thing, so this is not working with the node. Okay, this one what I will be telling today, that is not going to be working with the node. Without the node it would be working. Here I'm writing, but the code would be same. Alert and all will be same in the backend also. Same will be there. I will show you that also. So here I'm mentioning alert. 3 pop-up boxes are there: alert box, confirm box, and third one is prompt. Okay, so let's cover this much first of all, and here we are going with this script. So this way you give the script in the front end page. If you are giving directly in the front end page, then you will be writing this one. Okay. Now suppose you want to use the pop-up box, as I said. So alert box, I am going to tell. Alert box is basically used to pop up some information on the front end page, the HTML page. So for that, we have to simply create the function and all. I'm just creating a function. It's not compulsory, but yes, I am creating function. You know, there also we create in the same manner. Show alert, I have just taken the name here. That's it. And here I'm creating one input button, input type button, let's say, and name I'm giving B1 only, and value, let's say show alert. And here I'm taking on click event. So on click event I am taking here, and here I'm just going to call this show alert method. Okay, show alert method. Now here we are just going to take alert, and I'm just writing here hello, this is an alert box. Okay, so this is here. Let's run it. It's really simple. Let's go to the front end file, which I have created right away. This one. And here you can see show alert is there. If I click on it, so it gives me the alert box. Hello, this is an alert box. It's a really simple, very simple code you can see. This way you can give the alert and all when you are doing the registration things. So let me tell that form things also for today. So let's do that. In this file also we can create, but right now I'm not going to just discuss that directly. I will discuss it after a few seconds. Firstly, I have to cover the 3 different types of pop-up boxes. Otherwise, we will be diverted from the topic. Okay, so let's do it. Here in the front end stuff, I'm adding file1, we are embedding. Right now what we are doing, we are embedding the JavaScript code here. So in the HTML file. Okay, that is going to be file2, sorry. File2. So HTML boiler code I have taken, and here I'm just giving the title, let's say prompt box. And here a variable I'm taking where r equals to confirm. Okay, one more thing, script we have to already take. You can see in the front end when you are using it. Then here I would like to take a button once again, because I would like to call this on the click of the button. Submit name. I've not created any. Let's take a function disp, or simply disp prompt. You can take any name. I'm just taking it intentionally because right now I'm giving the demonstration of this topic. Name B1 I've given for the button, and value, let's say prompt box. Okay, and on click, I'm just calling right now disp confirm. This prompt, sorry, this prompt, the function which we have created, but the function is not yet created, so let's do it. Now when you are getting the prompt box, when you are working with the prompt box, so prompt is actually used to take input from the user at the runtime when you are running the program. So you can use these things to store your values in a particular variable, that is completely accepted. But still, like what I'm going to do here, I'm taking var name equals to prompt, and here I'm taking like please enter your name. Suppose this we have given as a message, it takes 2 parameter, and simply this I have taken, and let's I'm keeping it empty. I will show you, even I can just give some value here first of all, then I will show you how to work when it is empty. James Bond, suppose I have written anything. Then if we are using name not equals to not equals to null, that means no value, and that is the logical operator, and name not equals to null, that means empty. So if it is empty string, so simply document dot write hello, the name, how are you, suppose. Okay, let's run it. Let's click the prompt box. So it gives the name previously James Bond because we wrote it. If I press OK, so here it's written hello James Bond, how are you? Now if I just click on this prompt, and I can change this also, Akash Sahani. So hello Akash Sahani, how are you? In case you simply want this to be empty, I'm keeping it empty now. So what will be happening? Let's refresh. And I'm just clicking on it. So it says nothing is there. You can see nothing is there. Even I have given a space. I'm not giving a space even. So it will be coming exactly empty. Let's refresh. Click on it. It's empty. So whatever you want to write, you can write Ekta Pandey. Okay. So it's simple. This was a prompt box. Prompt box is basically used to take the input from the user. So the next code which I am going to tell you, that is simply related to the confirm box. And front end I'm going file3.html. Okay, so this we have taken, and here I'm writing confirm box. I have written there prompt box. Yes. Here I have not written anything. Let's take it alert box. Does not make a difference actually. So here also I will just take the script, and I will create a function, and I will take the name, let's say disp confirm. And here I'm taking input type button, name some B1, P1, V1, A, B, C, D, anything. Value, what will be displayed on the button? Let's say confirm box. And on click event, I'm again using on click today. So there are many events you can just change and check also. But right now, if for this button click, we need on click only. So I'm just taking this disp confirm right now to call this, and function I have not yet created. So when it comes to the confirmation, so there are two different things. Okay, when it comes to the confirmation, so there are two different things. One is simply okay and one is cancel. Suppose a prompt will be coming to you and it will be asking you want to do this, you do not want to do this. So either you will be doing it, either you want to be doing it. So yes or no will be there. That means two things are there to be compared. That means we can use the if else. So I'm taking var r and I'm taking this confirm box here. And these all are the keywords, this confirm and all are the keywords in JavaScript. Okay, so here I'm just taking a message, whatever you want to write. Please press a button, or press a button. Why to say please now? Let's say press a button. Are equals to true. That means if the person has pressed yes or okay, so it will be going towards the if person, like it will be simply, you can take the alert also, or you can take the document.write also. To write on the web browser, you use the document.write, not the console.log. Okay, you pressed okay, and else document.write, you pressed cancel. Okay, so this is here confirm box. Now it's asking, like it's giving us the message press a button, because we wrote it there. Then if I press okay, so you say, it says you press okay, we have written that message, that's why it's giving. We can write anything else also according to the requirement. Then if I go to the cancel button, so it says you press cancel. Very simple.